Then also, Jerry, salute to this Thunder squad. I know there's a lot of talk this season, last season, heading into this postseason. It's a young team. Thinking about Draymond's comments earlier in the season. He didn't really like all the buddy stuff after the interview and all that stuff. But this was a tough team that stuck together, accomplished the ultimate goal.
What's going on, my man? Just hanging like nuts.
I mean, what they did was
fucking hot as balls out there.
I hear you, man.
I was in Phoenix last week. Woo! You want to talk about hot?
Yo.
I already know. Man, my balls were sticking to my thigh. It was gross.
Man, and they got that heat that just is like dry and it's just suffocated. Yeah, I was watching this guy. He's a streamer in Arizona, and he was like, "You guys want me to do IRL streams? Let me show you right here." And he showed his phone. It was 112. It was 112 degrees outside. He was like, I'm not doing streams outside right now. It's not.
I played one round of golf.
Oh
I was like,
goodness.
It was supposed to be 18. I only did the first front nine, and I was like, man, you guys play without me. I'm going back.
Oh
and I went to the bar, and I went to the pool, and talked about hot at the pool.
Oh wow!
I couldn't even walk on the pool deck. Throw water on it, and it was still hot.
That's tough. Yeah, that's tough. That's tough. Oh my goodness.
Inside and outside, inside and outside. We were at a place called the Phoenician. It's pretty cool.
Mm-hmm.
But we made the company pay for everything, so I guess. And then it was like tabs everywhere, so everybody drank.
Yes, sir.
And then it was my first time there with the company. It was our sales meeting. Mm-hmm. And nobody told me, oh yeah, you can wear shorts the whole freaking time.
Oh wow.
So like all I had
were dress clothes or like
I had like, I had like dress slacks, not full on dress slacks, but I had like khakis mostly.
Oh wow.
And then everybody was like, why are you wearing khakis? And then so I had to go buy a pair of shorts while I was there, so I could go swimming. And the shorts were like $80 freaking at the gift shop.
Wow.
So I was like, I can't expensive.
You said the Venetian?
This place called the Phoenician.
Venetian. I was like, Venetian? That sounds like the...
No, not Vegas. Not Venetian.
I was like, they got one.
Yeah, because we were in Phoenix.
That's their version of it, huh?
Yeah, it's just a resort.
Okay, gotcha.
But, free booze, got to see a bunch of friends.
Okay.
At the same time, I was like, man, why didn't nobody tell me I could bring shorts? Guys were wearing flip-flops the whole time they were there.
Wow.
Like every meeting, flip-flops.
And I mean, they've probably been there before. They know what's up.
Yeah. These guys have been with the company like 10, 15 years. I've only been there 8 months.
Oh, gotcha.
Yeah. And then I'm like, oh, damn. You guys could have...
He's like,
somebody could have told me.
I'm trying to come out and be presentable and everything like that.
Everybody's like, oh, what you all dressed up for? And I'm like, dude, nobody told me to bring shorts. I mean, like, somebody had said, oh, yeah, bring, like, cargo shorts or something, something a little nice. You don't have to wear pants every day. But I would not wear flip-flops there.
That's a tough...
It was fucking hot.
110 degrees and...
110, 112.
I remember Houston. I don't know if it was no, it wasn't last year, maybe 2 years ago. We had a whole month with 100 degrees straight. I was like, oh my God, another 100 day.
Especially with the humidity.
Oh my goodness.
It's like, I used to be in construction before this. We did pool decks, sidewalks, we did decorative concrete. And going out there, I'd have to go and measure it, and the customers would want to talk outside. I got to measure the pool deck, it's out there in the sun, in the summer. And I'm like, come on, let's just go fucking side. I already measured everything. I took all my pictures. Can we go inside and talk? Come on, fat people are melting out here. I'm so glad I'm done with that.
Yeah.
Now I do with Rust-Oleum. I just talk about paint all the time. My customers. But I gotta do training classes. And like Wednesday, I gotta do epoxy training in this warehouse. Hot as balls in there. And then I gotta do one on Thursday, right down the street from here on West Hill York. And I was just there this morning. Hot as balls in there. And still don't have shorts to wear. I mean, I can just wear my underwear, I guess. I wear boxers.
I'm telling you, man.
So we do all hands-on training with floor cones. It's just hot in there.
My luck. My days, my hard labor out in the heat, those days are over for me. I cannot go back. I'm sorry. I did my due diligence. I used to do door-to-door sales for about almost 4 years. You know what I mean? So I've done it. I've been out there like I've done a 10-hour shift. You know what I mean? In the 100-degree heat. You know, so. And all they say is they like you want to get cool, you want to cool down, get in the house. Simple. You get in that house, you get cool. You know what I mean? So you better use that talk, and you're like, hey man, just we step in real quick, you know?
Yeah.
And they'll let you in too. You just gotta know how to get in there, you know?
But sometimes when I'm out on the pool deck, they want to point at everything.
Yeah.
I already took all my notes. We already went over everything. Let's go inside and talk.
Yeah, because not saying like I'm not trying to single out people, but people that can afford stuff like that to do that are really about like when they're spending their money on stuff like that and how they want it specifically done. When they're spending their money on stuff like they're like, look, I want it this way. They want to just they're control freaks. You know what I mean? Like, not saying that people that can't afford they can't are not like that. But I'm just saying they typically are very about small things and.
Oh yeah, trust me. Trust me, I know. That's why I hate sales. I mean, I don't mind what I do for sales.
Yeah.
I only deal with distributors.
Yes.
I don't sell to end users.
Yeah, I don't like big time sales because the bigger the sales is, the more the person is that you're gonna deal with. You know.
Oh yeah, trust me. Man. I sold the last job when I was Sun Deck, I sold a $60,000 epoxy job for a garage. And after it was over, he was like, I don't like it. And I'm like, it looks exactly like the fucking sample, man. And he already paid. He already paid me in the second half, you know? He's like, I'm going to pay you, but I just don't like the way it came out. And I was like, well,
wow.
What don't you like about it? He goes, well, it's a little bit more yellow than I wanted. I wanted it whiter. And I was like, oh, dude, it looks exactly like the sample that you approved. We did a metallic epoxy. Mm-hmm. His garage is 3,500 square feet.
Wow.
The biggest garage I've ever seen.
Wow.
And we made it look like a giant piece of marble. With like metallic, like veins in it and stuff. And it's all, and we had to lay out a basketball court and a pickleball court in there. And then we had to ask about NCAA, NBA, regulation. So we made it like perfect. And we did whatever colors he asked.
Yeah.
And we did it all in, I think it was 5 days. Like start to finish.
Wow.
So he wouldn't be inconvenienced. Because they have, like every kid in that house has a drives a Tesla.
Oh, wow. Yeah. Oh, yeah. See, I told you.
Yeah, they got money. And
that's what I said. People that can afford that kind of stuff, it's just like.
But the dad didn't want to be part of it. The dad was the one who was paying everything. And he's the one who told me he didn't like how it came out. The son loved it because he put his son in charge. 18 years old.
Yeah.
Son didn't give a shit. He's not the basketball player they have. Dad's a doctor. And so he put his son in charge. And then, it's like how it was.
It's like those guys like that or like dads like that is like, is it supposed to be like a dad son kind of project? And he's more like, son, just order what you want to order and I'll give you the money to pay for it.
I mean, it was just funny. The kids were great. But after we finished it, after sitting there for it was 2 days after we finished. He hands me the check, and he goes, I'll pay you. I just don't like the way it came out. I'm like, oh. He goes, find out what else you guys can do to fix it. If we can change it. And if it's going to cost me anything. So,
I'll definitely let you know if it's going to cost.
is leavable.
Right
Right here, the house on the left.
First one?
Second one.
Second one.
My house ain't for sale. Thank you, sir.
No problem, man. You have yourself a good one, man. Yes, sir.